Hi guys, Dave's here again, and I think I'll make another Christmas project. I've got some leftover plywood here where I worked on my house this summer. It's 3/8 inch thick. It's probably about 2 foot by 2 foot. You won't need hardly that much, but I designed another project and I printed it out here, and I will put a link in the description down, so if you want to make this yourself. Let me glue it up on the board here. Okay, I cut the pieces to fit the board down, so I'm missing this down little place here that's messed up. Let's flip it over. Spray a little adhesive. Get you a pen and press down real hard before tearing this paper off, so we can get the indentation in here, so we know where we're going to paint the silver. Now that your paint's dry, take a pencil and go over the marks where we made the little indentions and everything. If they don't show up good, keep your little pieces of paper and kind of go over it again. Well, let me do this right here, then we'll paint these. Okay guys, here it is finished up hanging on my house. I might have to adjust the hanger on the back, which I kind of like. It makes like the Christmas tree's a little heavy pulling the wheels there. But this is an easy project. Remember, I'll have the link in the description here if you want to make this yourself. I mean, this is just a piece of plywood. I used a piece of 3/8 inch. You can use any size for this. Thanks for watching. Hope everybody have a Merry Christmas.